Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and start making the braids out of it into two sections as shown in the video and then attach it all together and it's done. For the next one, take the sections of your hair tied. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making the braids out of it while taking the smaller sections and then attach it all together and it's all done. For the next one, take the section of your hair tied and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the process 3 times and then tie it all together. Now take the smaller sections of your hairs and start braiding your hairs into the upside down way as it is shown. Now roll it up together and it's done. For the next one, tie your hairs and then make it into 2 parts and then make a bun out of the one. Now take the remaining hairs and start making the buns as shown in the video. It will look like this. Attach it and it's all done. For this one, tie your hairs as it will look like this. Now pull it inside out and then make it into 2 parts and make a bun out of it as shown. Now take the remaining hairs, make a braids out of it, roll it up, attach it and it's done. For the next one, take the sections of your hairs and then tie it nicely. Now pull it inside out as shown in the video and then pull out the hairs. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and make the section out of it and pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now repeat the process, tie your hairs and then make it into a bun as it will look like this. For the next one, take the section of your hair and then start making the braids out of it as shown in the video. Now make the braids on both the sides, attach it nicely. Now take the another section of your hair, pull it inside out as shown in the video and then bring it all, it's done. For the next one, divide your hairs into 2 parts. Now take the first part and start making the braids by taking the smaller sections out of it and then repeat the process till the end and then tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now attach it on the top as shown and it's done. Thanks for watching.